Clark & Associates are proud to present the FLORY SULLIVAN Ranch in Powder River, Wyoming. This large, low-overhead grass ranch is located approximately 40 miles west of the city of Casper in central Wyoming. The ranch is 18,996 total contiguous acres, with 7,652 acres being deeded. The dominating terrain feature on the ranch is Notch's Dome, a north-south running summit that rises 400 feet tall with an evergreen-covered slope on the west side and steep ravines and draws on the east side. The ranch is perimeter fenced and has one internal pasture near the corrals that is approximately 500 acres in size. Fences are 4 and 5 strand barbed wire in good condition. Rated for 3,500 animal unit months of grazing, this equates to approximately 290 pairs year-round. Over 3.5 million gallons of water per day flows from the Notch's Dome oil field through the east side of the ranch. The temperature of this water is over 80 degrees and it flows through the ranch for over 4 miles. Other water is provided by spring-fed ponds, seasonal stock reservoirs, a spring by the shop, and 2 wells. A stock trail borders the northeast side of the ranch and provides a corridor for cattle going to and from summer grazing in the mountains. Access around the ranch is convenient, with Notch's Road and FLORY Sullivan Road both going through the ranch, along with multiple oil field roads and 2 tracks. Improvements on the ranch are modest and include a manufactured home, corrals, and 50 by 100 shop. Corrals and shop lie approximately 1 mile east of the home. There is also an old home next to the shop that is uninhabitable. The ranch home is a 1,872 square foot double-wide manufactured home built in 2004. Wildlife includes antelope, mule deer, and sage grouse. The FLORY Sullivan Ranch, a large, low-overhead cattle ranch near Casper, Wyoming.